Greetings everyone. I am Bharti Kathuria Sehgal from the SD Vidya School, Ambala Kant. Today, that is 28th of February 2021, we are celebrating the Science Day. And to celebrate the Science Day, we are doing a fun thing. So, science is all around us, but we don't look at things, we just see the things. So today what we are going to do is we'll talk about some interesting facts which will make you fall in love with science. So now we move on to some interesting things that you actually miss. So we at SD Vidya School are going to have this interesting thing today. Now the soil, the air, the water, the rocks, everything that you see, including the living organisms, are the result of one or the other scientific phenomenon. So, anything that you see around you is actually the result of a scientific phenomenon. Something floats or something sinks, something melts or something freezes is science. You see the steamy windows, you test flavors, you have the day and night, the sunlight reaches the earth is science. Now, let's talk about some interesting facts that will blow your mind. Do you know that human brain takes in 11 million bits of information every second, but it is aware of only 40. The human eye can see between 430 to 770 terahertz. Our ears can only detect sound between 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. These ranges make up a fraction of the total light and sound frequency. This means there is a lot going on more around us than we actually see and hear. The three smallest bones of our body, which are the malleus incus, are present in the ear and they vibrate. See, they are so small that they can even vibrate with the sound. And there are people who have been working on time machines and everything. So there is a fact about this. If you stop the time, you won't be able to see anything because the light photons will freeze too and they'll not hit your retina and you'll not be able to see anything. Your hair contains gold, but that doesn't mean that you need to be bald and sell off your hair. It just means that each strand of the human hair contains 14 different elements and gold is one of them. Now, Corona has insisted all of us to join our hands and maintain a distance, but this actually helps in activating your pressure points, which helps us to remember the person for a longer time. It controls the spread of diseases. A tsunami wave can travel in the speed of a jet plane. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. The dust particles of your house, when the sunlight is coming in through a window and you see all the dust particles all around, are actually most of them the dead skin that wears off from our bodies. A goldfish has a memory span of only 3 seconds. The little one can remember you only for 3 seconds. Our eyes are always the same size from the birth, but nose and ears never stop growing. So that's why the grandfathers and the grandmom have a little bigger nose and ears than they had in their younger age. Apples are more effective to wake you up in the morning. So don't go for tea or coffee, go for an apple. Venus is the only planet which rotates clockwise. All others rotate anti-clockwise. Light would take 13 seconds, that is 0.13 seconds to travel around the Earth. If you drilled a tunnel, so if there is a tunnel which can go from one end of the Earth to the other end of the Earth, it would take you 42 minutes and 12 seconds if you jump from one end to reach the other end. The liquid inside the young coconuts, it can be substitute for blood plasma. The research is going on. Let's hope for the best. An average human being spends 6 years of life dreaming. But the best part is 90% of it is lost in the first few minutes that we wake up. Water makes up 75% of our brains. And wrinkles, which are thought to be like not good for the skin, but they're actually good for the brain and increases the processing power. You know, when a person dies, they have 7 minutes of brain activity left. It's the mind playing back the person's memories in a dream sequence. So it's not always in the movies that you see a person thinking about his entire life when he's dying. It actually happens. That's all for today. Thank you.